When we think about advanced medicine, we usually picture high-tech labs and complex chemicals. But what if one of the biggest keys to better healing isn't something we invented, but something we discovered? Today, we're going to look at a totally different approach to wound care, one that comes from a place you might not expect. Really think about that for a second. We're so used to looking for solutions in sterile, man-made environments, but the idea that some of the most powerful healing agents have been here all along, just waiting in nature, well, that's the whole idea we're diving into today. So let's get right to it. This whole concept of ocean-inspired healing isn't just a theory. It's led to a real product called KytoGraft. So what is this stuff? At its heart, the idea is so beautifully simple. KytoGraft is a wound dressing made from one thing and one thing only, 100% chitosan. There are no weird synthetic additives, no chemical cocktails, just a pure, natural material that's been harnessed for healing. Okay, I know that sounds super scientific. Polysaccharide biopolymer, what does that even mean? Well, just think of it like this. It's basically a natural, fibrous sugar that comes from chitin, which is the stuff that makes up the shells of crabs, shrimp, you name it. We're literally taking a fundamental building block of marine life and using it to help our bodies heal. And this is the perfect way to picture how it works. It's not just a Band-Aid that covers the wound. Nope. It acts more like a scaffold, creating a perfect little framework that your body's own cells can use to rebuild and repair tissue. It's helping your body do what it does best. So you might be wondering, why chitosan? What is the big deal about this material from the ocean? Well, it turns out it has some really unique and powerful advantages that make it perfect for wound care. First and foremost, and this is a big one, it's biocompatible. What that means is your body recognizes it. It doesn't see it as a foreign invader and attack it. So instead of causing more inflammation, which can happen with some synthetic dressings, it just kind of integrates. It works with your body's healing process. And that brings us right to the next point, its source. This isn't just something inspired by nature, it is nature. It's derived from pure-grade Chitosan, so you're getting a safe, natural material that's harnessing the incredible properties that are already there. And finally, something that's more important now than ever, it's biodegradable. Think about that. We have a highly effective medical product that not only helps people heal, but also just naturally breaks down over time without harming the environment. It's a win-win. Okay, so we know what it is, and we know why it's so effective, but the really important question is, where do you actually use it? Let's talk about the practical side of things. And the answer is, well, in a lot of places. The range of use here is just huge. We're talking everything from the kinds of cuts and scrapes you'd get at home to much more serious situations. It can be used for post-surgical wounds to help them heal cleanly, for burns, and even for managing those really difficult long-term chronic wounds like pressure sores. That versatility is a really big part of what makes it so valuable. So, we've covered a lot of ground, from the ocean floor all the way to the clinic. If there's one single idea you should walk away with, what is it? It's really this. KytoGraft is this amazing blend of nature's simplicity and medical sophistication. It's a tool that is natural, powerful because it works with your body, and incredibly versatile. It's just a fantastic asset for modern wound care. And that kind of leaves us with one final exciting thought. If something this effective was hiding in shellfish, it just makes you wonder, right? What other incredible secrets are out there in the natural world, just waiting for us to find them?